There's a reggae party here tonight. Yeah. Brothers on the left, sisters on the right. The bass is bumping, the rhythm is right. Oh, so don't you go home lonely tonight. Oh, what I'm telling you is everybody ready to dance. Grab a partner and get on the floor and stand. This may be your last chance, 'cause it's a two-person party tonight. Yeah. Take off your clothes out, turn off the lights. Oh, don't worry, girl, I'll have you home on time. This is what I'm telling you, that it's a two-person party tonight. Tell me what I'm seeing. You and me together, that's the feeling. Let's start now, we don't have much time. No, making sweet love into the morning light. You're the only woman that I see. God made you for me, 'cause it's a two-person party tonight. Yeah. Take off your clothes out, turn off the lights. Oh, don't worry, girl, I'll have you home on time. This is what I'm telling you, that it's a two-person party tonight. Oh, girl, tell me what I'm seeing. You and me together, that's